What's up, guys? So today Vintage E is here, and I'm just listening to quick music here. Let me just put this on loop. Don't know how. Um, Never mind. What I was gonna do is sorry for not recording, but I cannot get like my recording working properly. So I'm gonna be opening packs on Futwatch. So ignore this. This is just I've been opening quite a lot of packs. So we're just gonna keep on opening 100k packs and some Oscar 4k. Okay, that's decent. Let me just quickly show you my club. Okay, be good. Here, this is my club. Wait, is this it? Yep. My club value. I have Fowler, Balassi. Balassi's 1.5 mil. 1 mil. Ah. So these are very expensive. We need to look for these. I only have Everton players. I really want like the let me just quickly here. Where are they? League players. I really want like a Chelsea, a Tottenham one, because I'm a Tottenham fan. So yeah, either an Arsenal one. I don't like Arsenal, but they're decent. They have decent players, admittedly. That Vardy looks nice. I take the Vardy, David Silva, Rooney, Adam Lallana, Januzaj. Yeah, Januzaj's card looks nice. And Santi. Those are players I want to be trying getting. Here, 100k pack. Let's go. So right now we're just not getting much. Ooh, Sheridan. I think he 7.66. Okay, decent. I think that's like 13k together. Okay, so wait, how much does Sunny go for? 4k. Okay, I thought he was like 8k, 10k, something like that. Socrates. Barons of Minnesota. No. Come on, cuz. Yo! Inform. Oh, come on, he's 15k. Not bad, not bad. Give me something decent. I just want good cards. Please. Bang. How about this? How much does he go for? 1k, 3k. Okay, that's rubbish. We're going to put on animation. Bang. No! A Diego Alves. Not good. Let me just do that. Stop seeing this. I'm not interested. Here. Humi's song. Okay, not much, not much. And I will link Futwatch. I think to actually Martial, to actually like open Halloween packs and things, you have to have either Facebook, Twitter, or Google account. That's what I think it was Google account, but I'm not sure. I think we're gonna open like 5 more of 100k packs. Then we're gonna hop onto Halloween packs. We're not gonna open much Halloween packs. We just 3 more here, 2 more now. This is the last pack. Just 1 more. No. Okay, but wait, Butland goes for what? When I was on PlayStation or Xbox, sorry, the other day, Butland was like 7k. Okay, anyway, we're not gonna open much of these because these do get quite stressful. So gumdrops. Let's see. Bang. Pepe, 88 rated. That's decent. Oh, Olivier Giroud. Diouf. Yeah. Bang. Blend. I have blend. Is it pronounced blind or blind? Because I think it's blind. So yeah. Mandanda. Not bad. 14k. It's actually quite decent. What? Okay, I'm no look. No, okay. Oh, wait, never mind. Now it's a no look. What did I get? Oh, Lemar. 4.5k. That's not a club value a bit. Bubblegum. Knocked that one in, didn't ya? That's the music pack. What? Did I accidentally open? Wait. What? Oh, I'm stupid. Let's close the Halloween because we're just gonna go back to. I'm gonna finish up the daily reward packs. You can open 50 every day, and they get coins. Coins you can start buying players. Actually goes like 20k. Why? Just give me the real price. Oh! Please. He's the 14k, okay? Please. I'm saying he's around over 10k. 35k, okay, I'll take that. But he's not a big screamer. He's not a big boy. We want top cards. We're not getting lucky. Oh, Raphael. 45k, not bad. Not bad. I think you buy him for like 1,000 coins. Not like players you sell here. These coins that you get, you only get 10 every daily pack. And you open 50, so around 500 coins every day. Oh, Manolas. Wait, doesn't he play for like AC Milan? I actually, oh yeah, Joe Hart, I've heard about this. I don't watch much Italian football. I'm more into BPL and Bundesliga. Okay, here, see? No more packs remaining. What's this? Oh my god. Sure. Oh, games. Guess who? What? We'll start off easy because I have not tried this yet. What? 20 guesses remaining. Gold, type, rare, 80 or above. Midfield, league, BPL. No, I hate Arsenal. Or Spurs, yeah, there we go. No, it doesn't have to be that. No, just guess. Wait, what does this, how does this help? Pick a new play. How does that help? Okay, you know what, this guess who is rubbish. Oh, wheel, spin the wheel. Okay, let's just do this. Oh, nearly a throw. What's add to power? Oh, this. Power spin. What does this do? Okay. Oh, I think this bar is the energy bar. And like, this is a power spin. Ah, here we go. So yeah, so if I get like full bar, I think these are all going to be rare and it guarantees me getting the good ones. Wild card. Oh, Higuain. Come on. He goes for like 250k. What? Look at those stats. I'm storing you in my club. Don't have Higuain yet. Oh. I got happy when it said gold. Don't know why. Fire. Oh my god. I swear Balotelli goes for him. Balotelli's a crap one. Oh my god. Come on, just give me a throwback. I do have a few throwbacks, but I would like a throwback right now. Bang. Oh, yeah, Toure. Wait, what card is this? Oh, it's a FIFA 16 card. Anyway, I'll take it. Add to power. I'm more into FIFA 17 now, so I'm going to add this to power. Oh, damn. Let's keep adding sick players to power. I swear I choked. I nearly got onto legend. Does this increase our luck? Stop it. All these bronzes do not help. Oh my god, come on. Wait, did I accidentally store a bronze card? Huh? Ah! Oh! Stop! Just behave. Behave. Please. Maladuna, whatever your name is. Please, this looks good. I swear if this gives me a gold, I'm gonna be pissed. Legend is right there. I'm going back to 100k packs. Oh, sick, we're getting shite. Come on, give me something decent. At least half decent. Now, this is the half decent pack. When I say half decent, I do mean Renato Sanchez. But, like, please, something better. Half decent. Oh, Han! Han! Get out my face. That was the worst thing I've ever done yet. I don't think... Yeah, you cannot see the time, but it's... what time is it? There. It is 7:30 in the morning. 7:30 in the morning. I'm gonna be uploading this around like 12, 11. Yeah, that's when I'm gonna upload that. Or this. Put on animation. Yep, we already know animate. Oh, come on! Go away, Winston Reed. Oh, come on. Oh, unspawn Dembele. Shots fired. WTF is this? No. Especially for a video. Oh, Yannick Balassi. 2K. His other card goes for around 1.5 mil. I have his other card. It's 1.5 mil. Otamendi. 25k. Not bad. Ooh. Ooh. It's KSI. Or KSI's dad. Or Deji's dad. Here we go. Masaku. 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 Is that how you pronounce it? Is that how you pronounce it? Masaku, okay. Masawaku, that's what I'll call. Batshuayi! Michi Batshuayi, new Chelsea signing. Sick. I really knew they signed him in the transfer window. Why now? Don't have him. I will do it like 3. Oh, the legend. We're gonna open like 10 more packs. Then we're gonna hop onto a foot draft. Oh, Nolito. I've tried him on Ultimate Team. He's really good. I love his dribbling. And that's what they think. We're stable. Oh, sick. Bang. Cabella used to be OP like FIFA 15. Oh! 29k? 6k. No, I swear that's a fake price. I bought a Juan Mata for 25k. I'm not even that rich. I have like 150k. That's it. Oh, 56k. Half 100k. That's decent. Oh, by the way, this song is really good. I recommend it. There, that's the name. I'll link it, and I'll link this website. Marcelo. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna open last pack, and we're hopping onto the draft. Done. My drafts. Oh, wrong button. FIFA 17. Here we go. We're gonna go for 4-3-1-2 is my favorite formation this year. Here, who should my captain be? I think we should go Serie A. I'm gonna go Serie A. I think we're looking here for a Buffon or Handanovic. Or Donnarumma. I do know his first name is Gianluigi. I think we're gonna have to go like a BPL Serie A hybrid. That will do, yeah. We just need a Serie A. Oh yes, Ebra. There we go. Serie A. Felipe Anderson. Shit. I just need someone good. Now here, I need a BVBA. Rakitic. Now I need Suarez. Thank you. Bang. 96 cam, not bad. I think the problem is here. We need Iniesta. Give us Iniesta. No, but that's not gonna work. I think it's Felipe Anderson. I definitely think it's Felipe Anderson. Mascherano, not gonna help. Now if we don't find like Felipe Anderson or that link, that helps. Wait, if I put him there, 97 cam, that goes up by 1. We still need Felipe Anderson. I've been saying Felipe Anderson so much. We want a Neymar, not a Felipe Anderson. Give us Neymar. There are just like guys. Neymar is just bye-bye, not here. Come on. Please. Give me something decent. There. Please, no. Okay, last pick. This is our last charm. Higuain. Wait a second. Italy won. 98 cams. Wait, if we put him 80, no, that drops by so much. If we put you there, then we put you there. Yes! 100 cam! 185. Yes, dude. And now we just need to organize this bench. Okay, here, bang. We're going to put James. Then we're going to put Diego Bago Costa. And yeah, we're going to put Koke. Bang, bang, bang. I think we're good here. Yes! A 186. We'll finalize our draft. Hello? Okay, we good. Something weird just happened. Anyway, what do we name this? I'm just going to name this YouTube. That's a really, I like that draft. We're gonna do another draft. I got on top 17. I think that's what it said. 4-2-2. Sure, 4-4-2 or 4-2-2-2. Start draft. Let's do this. I'm gonna go Pogba. I want to watch Pogba. Come on. Johan Kabay. I want to go for another hybrid. I think I'm gonna go Bundesliga. Yeah, that would be fun. I regret this. Russia, Ukraine, Russia. You mental? I'm gonna have to replace you. Come on, stop treating me crap. Oh, please stop. Switch these two around. There we go. They do both have yellow. Wait, if we switch them both around, or it just remains the same cam. Okay, we're just gonna go here, Bundes. We're gonna take Otamendi. Oh, come on, where's Toby? Vertonghen, save. Gonna go like that, then we're gonna put him right there. 49 camps. 51 and 58 here. Okay, this is just decent. If we actually tried this, 58. Okay, they're good. We just switched the. Oh yes, legend. He links up. Come on, we need a BPL striker. Shit. I think we're gonna go for Aduriz. I like him this year. There goes our chances. What else do we need? Syria striker. Swap these two around. What am I doing? Raphael was there. Raphael. Oh, come on. Here, come on. This is gonna affect me. Just go highest rated. Come on. I need something decent. What am I doing? Buying. Take you. What? Ged. I've used him on career mode. He's decent. When I was doing a Benfica career mode. Please. Yes. Dear. Wait, if we put there. Oh, there. Okay, 81 cam. Now we just need. Oh crap! I should have taken that Mertesacker. A Gibbs. Wait, what if I put Gibbs there? 84 cam. 81 cam. Yep, Gibbs is gonna work better. I need Mertesacker. Wait, Lena. 92 chem. Wait a second. I just need a BPL striker. Pereira. He's better than Johan. No, but he'll stay there for chem. Please. Oh, God. Okay, now I pray down for a BPL striker. No. There it goes. 97 cam. No, wait, let's try and edit this. Put card zoom in there. Does not change anything. Wait a second. Where is he? No. I was looking for the Argentine link. 99 cam. Here. Okay. So, wait, if Lema. 97 cam. 93. 96. Aduriz. Oh, what do I do? If I put Sven Bender there, it's gonna make it even worse. I think that's our complete. No! Organize the bench. Okay, good. No. You know what? Let's just go straight to a new draft. I'm just gonna shuffle this formation. God damn. It's the exact same formation. Okay, here. Let's not go stupid. Messi. Has to be. We're gonna go BPL. How about La Liga Bundesliga? Yeah, that's gonna work. La Liga Bundesliga. Boy! Kritschau, yeah. Now this is where I'm fucked. Please. Oh! You know what? Actually, we need a straight up. I think I might just go for the full French. French, no. But Aspie. Oh, come on! Yes! Oh, I'm gonna have to move you to right back. But that's why they think we're stable. Come on, drop offers on the table. We're gonna take Bonucci. Bang! Now we just need... Who would link up? No! Okay, this draft just went terrible. Shuffle. Please, just stop giving me this formation. 4-1-1. Here, let's just go through this. Whew. Let's go Syria. Higuain. Mandzukic. Perisic. Phew. Perisic saved me. Callahan. Mohamed Salah. We're dead. I think I might go for BPL. As Morgan, just to get a bit of Kemper Marwan. Bang. That's why they think we're stable. Come the buffers on the table. Oh, this Felipe guy saved us. I think it's just a Fellaini and where's Morgan? Please. Ogbonna! No, Rudigani. Oh, 19 on 10. It's just Fellaini. Someone. Something. Somewhere. Come on. No, Silimani. Just take you. Please, I will just... We have not had a full draft in a bit. Asensio no is a bull. Please. S1. You were so sick. Oh, I got Koulibaly. Yes! 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 I just want to go for highest rated now. 83. 70. Let's organize them. Italiano number 1. Numero 1. Okay, highest rated is 84. 83. 83. 82. 82. 82. And bank. Wait, let's check. Finalize this. Syria. I have no clue how to spell Siri. Not bad. Let's check the draft leaderboards. What's this? Let's check. Oh, not bad. This is... Why am I saying not bad? This is a really good draft. What? Why? How? Are people getting Messi, Ronaldo, Suarez? Come on. Drop down to 9,000 points. spamming so hard. Just a bit of music whilst I'm spamming. Come on. Ash. Never mind. So I hope you guys actually enjoy. Actually, let's make this. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I will, if you like this video, I'll be making more of these, and I'll link the website and everything down in the description. So see ya!